my channel Craze to Code. Today I'm going to teach you guys what are operators in Java. Today I will also be teaching you guys a simple Java program using operators. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now firstly, let's see what an operator is. It's very obvious. An operator is something that does an operation. Example is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now in Java, these operators are classified into 5 broad categories, and they are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, and assignment operators. Now in this video, I'll only be teaching you guys the first 3 operators, as they are the operators I'll be using in my future programs. Arithmetic operator. Now we all know arithmetic operators, right? We have learned about them in mathematics. Well, in Java, we have the exact same list but with an extra operator, and that is modulus. Now what modulus basically does is that it finds the remainder of a division sum. Let's take 5 divided by 2 as an example. In the case of a division side, it will give the answer as 2. Now in the same case, if you use a modulus, the modulus will give you the answer as 1, as 1 is the remainder of the expression 5 divided by 2. Moving on to our next operator, relational operators. As the name suggests, relational operators relate one number with another. In other words, they compare one number with another. Now in Java, there are 6 types of relational operators, and they are equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, lesser than equal to, greater than, and lesser than. They are the exact same terms we use in mathematics. Now let's move on to the last operator. Logical operator. I would say this is the easiest operator out of the lot, as it only has 3 different types, and they are not, and or. These are terms we have in everyday life. They are simple to understand, right? Now before we move on to the programming stages, I just wanted to tell you guys that relational operator and logical operator aren't gonna be used in this program. They are only be gonna use in if-else program. Now you might be wondering, what is an if-else program? We'll be learning that in a future video. Now we move on to the programming stages. After you create a new project, create a new class. In my scenario, I'm going to name it addition, but don't forget you can name your class as whatever you want with a capital letter at the start. Open your class and delete all the unnecessary statements there. Now we start with our program. First, we obviously need to import the package. So type in import java.util dot your multiplication symbol and a semicolon. Now hit enter and type in class addition with a capital A. Now once you're done with that, hit enter and open a curly bracket. Now we need to type your method name, and that is public static void main open bracket string with a capital S, args which stands for arguments, open box bracket, close box bracket, and close brackets. Now hit enter and open your method block. Now once you're done with that, we need to initialize the scanner. So type in scanner sc equals new scanner with a capital S, open bracket system.in. Note that S should be capital in system. Once you're done with that, close brackets, hit semicolon and hit enter. So now comes the stage where you want the computer to ask you to enter your first number. So just type in system.out.println open brackets, open double quotes. Now within these double quotes, we are going to type in enter the first number. Now close quotes, close brackets and hit semicolon and hit enter. Now to type in your result to the computer, you need to create an object. And this object is going to be based on the data type int. So type in int and I'm just going to name the object as first equal to sc.next int with a capital I, open brackets, close brackets, semicolon and hit enter again. Now to enter your second number, type in system.out.println open brackets, open double quotes, enter the second number. Now close double quotes, close brackets, don't forget the semicolon and hit enter again. So to enter the second value, we need to create another object. So type in int, name the object as second, hit equal to sc.nextInt with a capital I, open brackets, close brackets, semicolon and hit enter again. Now we come to the part where we need to add both the values. So for this, type in int again. Type in the name of your object. In my scenario, it's going to be answer. Hit equal to. Now we want this object to be the sum of the first value and the second value, right? So type in first and hit plus and type in second. So whatever the user enters as the first value will be added to what the user enters again as a second value to get your answer, which is also called as the sum. We are not done here. To display this statement, we need to type in system.out.println open brackets, open double quotes, type in the answer is with a space at the end, close quotes, hit plus and type in answer without using any quotes. Now close brackets and hit semicolon. Now you might be wondering, why isn't the term answer within double quotes? This is because everything that is within the double quotes will be displayed on your screen as it is. But we don't want that to happen in this scenario. So answer in this scenario refers to the object with the name answer. Now end the program by closing your two curly brackets. Hit compile and it should come class compiled, no syntax error. Now let's run the program and see if it works. Once you're done, it should come enter the first number. In my scenario, it's gonna be 7. Now it should come enter the second number. My second number is gonna be 93. Now 7 plus 93 equals 100. See, it works perfectly fine. That was easy, right? That is exactly how the rest of Java is. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Today we learned the types of operators in Java. Today we also did a very simple program using an arithmetic operator in Java. Just a quick reminder guys, the syntax for this program will be posted in the Craze to Code website. Link will be given down below in the description. Go check it out. Now, if you like this video, it wouldn't hurt to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell so that you stay notified at all times. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.